Now, so far we handled polynomials. Now, how to make polynomial equation. In the beginning, I was telling, let's consider two polynomials. One is 3x square minus 4x, and another polynomial is, say, 2x cube minus 2. Two different polynomials, right? If I join them both, this expression, or this polynomial and this polynomial, if I join them with an equality, we get an equation, right? This is basically called equation. Now, to bring uniformity in the definition, when I expressed it in mathematical words, I said if f of x is any polynomial, then f of x equal to 0 is called polynomial equation. But here the right hand side is not 0. Now what we mean here is do the simple mathematical operations that we learned. 3x square minus 4x. Can I carry this 2x cube to this side and write it as minus 2x cube? Minus 2 also carry it to the left hand side, it becomes plus 2. Now the right hand side becomes 0. This type of an equation where left hand side is polynomial and the right hand side is 0. Just in order to bring uniformity in the representation, while defining a tomorrow the root, day after tomorrow sum of the roots, then the next class product of the roots, nature of the roots. Whenever we want to talk about the characteristics of an equation, we need a standard way of defining. In that standard way, what we always do is we try to make the right hand side 0. Even if it is not 0 in an equation, it is still an equation only, nothing wrong in it. But this is not the standard form. This is called the standard form. So a polynomial equation is that in which the right hand side becomes 0 and the left hand side is a combination of a polynomial. Is that idea clear? It's only a representation, that's all. So just in order to make it standardized, we try to make the right hand side as 0 always. Even if it is not 0, we can always bring the terms to left hand side and make the right hand side always 0. Then such an equation becomes a polynomial equation. There is another advantage of making the right hand side 0. Try to understand this. Say suppose I gave you a polynomial 3x square minus 4x and another polynomial 3x square minus 2x plus 1. And I asked you a question, equated them. That forms an equation. No doubt it's an equation. My question is, what is the degree of this polynomial equation? Can somebody answer? Naren, Ujjwal. Naren says 2. Manya, what's your answer? Ujjwal also says 2. Manya, what is the degree of this polynomial equation? 2. Right. Let me follow polynomial equation definition in principle. 3x square minus 4x, right hand side must be 0. But already plus 3x square is there. That I should bring it to the left hand side. So it becomes minus 3x square. Already minus 2x is there. That should be brought to the left hand side. It becomes plus 2x. Already plus 1 is there on the right hand side. Let's bring it to the left hand side. Minus 1 equal to 0. Minus 4x plus 2x, that's minus 2x. Minus 1 equal to 0. Is this in the standard form of polynomial equation? The same equation, when simplified or converted to the standard form, it has come down to minus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Now tell me what is the degree of it. Is it still 2 or is it 1? Now Naren says 1. Ujjwal says 1. So why do I need the standard form of a polynomial equation is, it helps me not only in my tomorrow's class and day after tomorrow's class, even the degree of a polynomial can be determined correctly by expressing it in the standard form. Is this clear till now? So let's make it a rule now. Whenever I say polynomial, I mean to say the right hand side is 0 always. Whenever I am talking about a polynomial equation, the right hand side is 0. If it is not 0, first let us make it 0. Then talk about degree, roots, sum of the roots, nature of the roots, whatever the further discussions that we are going to do with polynomial equations. We will do the discussion only after making the right hand side 0, that is making the equation into standard form. Shall we proceed? Now what are these roots of a polynomial? Now we know what is a polynomial equation. What are these roots of a polynomial equation? Just now we have seen there is some equation said 2x minus 3. Is it an equation or an expression? Because I have not equated this to anything, it's only an expression. 4, that is an expression. Now I am trying to equate them. Then it forms an equation, right? Now forget about this 4 on the right hand side. 2x minus 3 is an expression. What happens if I put x equal to 1 in that? Forget about this 4, that we will put it later. Only 2x minus 3. What will be the expression value? 2 into 1 minus 3. That gives me 2 minus 3, which is minus 1. Value changes. If I give x equal to 0, the expression gives me 2 into 0 minus 3. That gives me minus 3. Can somebody tell me what do I get if I give you x equal to 4? How much is the expression? When I give x equal to 4, I get 2 into 4, 8 minus 3. That is 5. So the expression is giving me different values. Right? My question is, understand this question now. For what value of x 2x minus 3 is 5? What will be the answer to this question? For what value of x? When x is 4. When x is 4, then 2x minus 3 is 5. Correct? Is both the statements what I wrote on the board, are they clear to each of you? Ujjwal, Naren and Manya. That is the root of what? This equation. Now you read the definition once again. You have come across this definition right from your 8th class when you started doing linear equations. This part is there every time. Just I explained it in a different scheme, that's all. When x equal to 4, the equation 2x minus 3 equal to 5 is satisfied. Then x equal to 4 is the root of this equation. Isn't it? That's what my teacher in 8th class told me. That's what my teacher in 9th class told me. So whenever f of x equal to 0 polynomial is satisfied, then that x is called the root.